Today, we'll learn how to edit and arrange a laser design in TOOCAA Studio. Use selection to select, move, and resize objects. Use pen to draw custom paths. Add basic shapes with the Shape tool. Use text to add and edit words. Generate barcodes or QR codes directly in Studio. Select an image to access image-to-image, image editing, and outline. Use image-to-image to create a new style from the original image. Use image editing to adjust and clean up the image. Adjust filters, brightness, contrast, grayscale, or invert the image. Crop freely or by a set ratio or size. Use the magic wand to remove similar colored areas. Use the eraser to remove unwanted details. Apply the changes and return to the canvas. Use outline to extract the image contours. Enter the width and height for precise resizing. Lock the ratio to scale proportionally. Flip the design horizontally or vertically. Use Array to create multiple copies and adjust their layout. Use Offset to create an inner or outer contour. Hold Shift or drag a selection box to select multiple objects. Use alignment to arrange multiple objects neatly. Group objects to edit them together, or ungroup them when needed. Use Boolean operations to unite, subtract, or intersect overlapping shapes. Check the size, position, and spacing to finish the layout. Next, we'll learn how to set up engraving, cutting, and processing.